When I started putting together my college portfolios, I already had a lot of work to choose from. I took all of my free time to make art, and that was my personal preference. That's not what everybody has to do. But for me, it wasn't a problem of finding enough art to put in. I had a hard time choosing what to put in. I looked at the websites of all of the colleges I was applying to see what kind of work they were looking for. For example, one school I was looking at really liked observational work and more representational work, whereas some other schools liked more conceptually based work and more experimental pieces. The portfolio process was really frustrating for me because I felt like I was on my own and I didn't have very many people to get feedback from. I went to National Portfolio Day twice because it was required for my school, but it really wasn't all that helpful. The reviewers have virtually no time to look at your work because of how many students there are and how short the event is. For example, one of the reviewers told me my work was good and sent me on my way, and that really gave me no information as to how to organize and put together my portfolio. I waited until the last minute to submit my portfolios because I was scared that I didn't know what I was doing and I didn't know how to start. So to get over that, I made lists and spreadsheets of the important information to include about all the pieces so I could start and feel confident about what I was doing. One thing that really helped me was having a website because it kept me organized and also gave me motivation to keep making work to keep my website up to date. I compared my work to a lot of other artists that applied to the same schools I did, and in the long run that was more detrimental than it was helpful because I felt like my work should look like theirs and it didn't. But in reality, your work shouldn't look like anybody else's because you're your own artist and you need to have your work be yours. Other than that, one thing that really helped me was having a website.